student who got placed in testing. So let us see his journey in our QSpiders. Hi. So can you please explain your journey in our institute?
Okay, thank you sir for this opportunity. So my name is Shivam Kumar. I'm basically a 2024 batch student. I entered QSpiders as an incubation students for my training of holistic testing, software testing. So basically it was a very wonderful and incredible journey inside the QSpiders where I learned manual testing, core Java, the SQL through well-trained professionals. So I'm very thankful to entire QSpiders teams for this thorough help. And the HR team also, I was in contact with them, so they let me know with what are the further companies coming and all the things. Inside this, in this institute, my doubt clearing things, my presentation, everything and communication was well groomed by our sirs, whether it is SQL trainer, Java trainer, or the manual testing trainer. So through that only recently I secured a job. So I was very thankful to this QSpiders. So basically this is the journey. I started from my college and I just got an opportunity to get a secure my job through the QSpiders Chromepet. So once again, thanks a lot.
Fine. Okay. So do you have any suggestion that you are going to give to your juniors or upcoming students?
Yeah, so one suggestion I would like to give that before going for a job, you must have a skill set, proper skill set. For example, many students are having aim of being a developer, many are having aim of testing engineer. So for that, we should have a proper skill set. In proper skill set, we have to undergo in a professional manner. So we should have the industry level knowledge. We should so that we can present it from the interviewer, so that he or she might be convinced like this is job ready students. So that thing I feel inside the QSpiders that apart from whatever I learned in my academic journey, but here I learned from the practical approach point of view, whether it's the projects or all. For example, I am a testing background, so I do real-time projects and all. With the skill set, I implemented the real-time projects so that I presented in front of the interviewers, so they were more convenient than the other candidates that I have that industry level knowledge. So this thing I would like to tell that you should first focus on the skill sets and all, focus on your communication, and then go for an interview. So you must